Hey guys, before we get into the video, I just want to say that all the audio that you're about to hear out of the Insta360 Mic Pros is going to be directly from the Mic Pro into the Insta360 X3. So there will be no post-processing in the software, either the Insta360 software or the DaVinci Resolve. Also, just as a quick nitpick, one of the biggest issues that I've had so far with this, with the Insta360 Mic Pros, is the case over the DJI case. Just trying to one-hand open this thing is really kind of a pain in the ass. So, yeah. I'm sure if it was on the table, it'd be a little bit easier, but just that's a little hinged mechanism is just kind of awkward to open. That's where if like the DJI, there's just a button on the top and then it just kind of flips open so you can one hand it real quick. Just again, a little side nitpick for me. Other than that, everything that I've done so far with this microphone, I've actually really liked it, and it did a lot better on the freeway than I thought it was going to. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get over to the video of me riding on the freeway with this microphone. Hey guys, Jared here again, aka the Laughter Man. So I've got the new Insta360 Mic Pro. So I'm going to show you how I put it into the microphone, or put the microphone into my helmet. It's kind of a windy day out, so this should be a good test of it. I rode to work with this in my helmet. It worked pretty good. So I've still got inside my helmet right here. I've still got the microphone adapter or the magnetic adapter for the DJI mics. This seems to clip right onto it just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and just toss that right up there. And it's just held in with some duct tape right now. I'll probably get something better here shortly. Well, I guess it helps if I put the microphone next to me. So we are going to be driving along some pretty windy areas, mainly on the freeway. So I'm not expecting the mic to pick me up too terribly well while still on the freeway, but hopefully the mic will work at between 40 and 60, which is where the DJI mic tend to really cut out on me. So, well, with that being said, let's go ahead and get on the road. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and take the scenic route home. Go right down to the beaches up here. Alright, we'll go ahead and set our cruise control because I never use it. So here we're doing about 65 miles an hour, 65, 66 miles an hour, right on the beach. So there is a lot of crosswind here. So again, with this helmet, because it's a solid carbon fiber helmet, it's very thin, very light, but it also makes it very noisy. So far I've been impressed with the Insta360 Mic Pros. One thing it does have is it's got 32-bit float, which I would expect standard on any good quality microphone right now. Just make sure that if you really are looking for a microphone, anything from the DJI Mic 2s up should have a 32-bit float. The Insta360s, I know for a fact this one has it. You'll have to check to see if the other ones have it or not. But again, I really love this. Figured I'd take the scenic route home. Got the beautiful, got the bay over here on my left, and you just got the open ocean out here on the right. Way to get the taller Insta360 stick so it get you guys a better view
But this is a beautiful area here in Coronado. I'm lucky to actually be able to work out here. The drive's a little bit of a drive for me to get back to from work, but you know, this really makes up for it. Like, you can have the worst day possible at work, and just being able to come out here, can go out to the beach if you want to have fun out on the beach. There's lots of good places to eat and drink down here in Coronado. But I'm really hoping that this microphone's picking up, because it is really quite loud in this helmet. I'm just not sure how much the audio isolation is going to work for this. Alright, so now this is the speed that I really expect this this microphone to really be working well in. This is between the 40 and 50 mile an hour. So the winds, you know, with the DJI mic, even with the noise cancellation on, really didn't like to pick up the voice over the wind. But from this one, it seems to be picking it up just fine from my quick little test that I did yesterday. Ooh, shitty roads here. Alright, so I'm actually on this road for a while. Alright, now we're going to be pushing it past the probably 80-90 mile an hour zone. Let this guy pass here. No, we're not going to change it. Which one is that would be? We're good. Strangely enough, we're actually close to where I bought this bike, this MC10. I bought this one at the Alamo over here in San Diego. So if you guys are ever looking for a good bike, actually a really good place to get a bike. So I had no problem with their customer service. They've got a lot of Triumphs. They got a little bit of everything. Monty-Todd plus Triumph stuff. But they also had Yamaha and Honda. So it's kind of a general dealership. They weren't specific to like Honda or anything. Or case Yamaha.